It's a bad man thing. See, Bombo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel like that.
So here we are with this unit by HeraRemy. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl. And of course, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Those links will be in the description box down below. This unit here, as you saw in the intro, is a wig by HeraRemy. I have my notes handy. This is their 100% unprocessed virgin Remy human hair in French wave. It is a 360 lace wig, and I have it in the 26-inch length. I've had this unit for, I can't even lie, you guys. I've had this unit for a minute. I want to give a big thank you to HeraRemy for being so patient, especially with me going through midterms. Your girl's a little backed up, but anywho, I have noticed just, you know, a couple of things here and there. And of course, I washed it. I did not notice too much shedding. It was like, you know, just a real small portion of hair that did come off of the unit. It did have a little bit of a, I guess, a factory smell to it, but that was really it. And I am noticing that as far as the texture is concerned, as soon as I washed it, it was okay. Curl pattern stayed the same, but I did notice today that in certain parts, this unit did kind of straighten out. It did seem like the curl pattern changed on this unit. This really feels like maybe 130%. It is a little bit more on the thin, natural side. Now, this is a little bit wet. I do have some leave-in conditioner in it. So when it's fluffed out, it is a little bit more, it definitely has a little bit more of a density to it. Your girl is a little too old for the baby hairs. If you love them, do you, boo-boo. I am learning just like you. So this unit was very easy to pluck. I did go in and pluck some of the hairs, but not too much. And yeah, girl. So let me go ahead and give you another beachy 360. There was another unit that I reviewed by them. It looks very similar to this one. I can't think of the name, but if I think of it, I'll put it somewhere in this video. Texture is really good. It's really soft. I love the wave pattern on here. And of course, you know, I live for length. I absolutely live for length on my units. This is a very beginner-friendly wig.
However,
so my only big however with this unit is the fact that it tangles. But you know, for the price, I will say it's a real easy, simple, quick type of unit. Definitely beginner-friendly wig. Now pause. Okay. Yes, I know the cap is showing. Yes, it is not perfect. Okay. I don't like my hairlines to look perfect. My own edges are really frizzy and crazy, and the curls go every which way, and this just feels more natural for me. If you like something different, then definitely do you, boo-boo. If you guys are interested in this unit, then definitely check out HeraRemy. Their information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you're here. And you know what I say, ladies, no matter what you do, whatever wig, whatever style, cut, or color, just make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time.